Hello everyone, I'm Miles Nash, this is the Maker Room, and I want to introduce to you my newest project, the Phoenix V2 3D printed prosthetic hand. Let's get started, shall we? So, you may be asking, Miles, why did you 3D print a hand? You have both of them. And that is a fair point. But there's this service called E-nable. E space nable, lowercase e, capital N, nable. I don't know, it's confusing. What E-nable does is to connect people with 3D printers to those who are in need of a prosthetic hand or arm. Now, lots of people online have designed different variations of the prosthetic arm for 3D printing. All of these people are great supporters of the E-nable community and the goal of helping others. To start helping those in need by 3D printing hands, I needed to print a test model of no specific size and assemble the 30+ 3D printed parts, the hardware such as fishing line, screws, belts, foam, and rubber bands that hold everything together. Chose to print my test hand out of red and yellow filament, kind of an Iron Man type style.
Actually, Miss Sprinkle.
Now the hand works by having someone with missing fingers or part of a missing hand, putting their hand in there, wrapping the straps around, and when they bend their wrist, which most people have an active wrist if they've just lost fingers, when they bend their wrist, all of the fingers close, and the thumb tucks in front of the index finger to allow people to grip things. All of the 3D printed parts were printed at 0.2 millimeter layer height with infill at 35%. Filament came from Maker Geeks. Lots of the parts were printed with a raft to ensure bed adhesion. Everything fit together very well. I scaled up the model 130% for easier assembly. Obviously, in a real scenario where I'd be donating it to someone, I would get their size to make sure that it fit. This is much too small for me to use. As you can see, my hand would not fit in this little cavity. Overall, this was a great project and introduced me to the E-nable community. I am awaiting certification from the E-nable certification team, and that'll allow me to start helping others by printing hands for them. They call it lending a hand.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Well, see all of you in my next project. Bye-bye.